Today's video was going to be my office makeover, but putting something like that out right now just didn't seem fitting considering everything that is going on in the world with the Black Lives Matter movement. So I'm sure you guys have seen a ton of influencers taking to their Instagram, their YouTube to post about Black lives, the police brutality, the protests, everything surrounding the movement right now. And I think it is so crucial that we are all tuning in, listening, and sharing when we can. I acknowledge my privilege, and I acknowledge that it is such a privilege to learn about racism rather than experiencing it your whole entire life. I was a little bit weary to speak out on this matter. I'm not going to lie to you guys because I still have a lot of learning to do myself. If we don't make a change now and speak up for those who have been trying to have their voices heard, this is going to be a problem that will be harder to change. It's hard to relearn about Black history in a day or even a couple of weeks for that matter, but every step you take is a step in the right direction. I'm going to leave a bunch of resources, movies, TV shows, anything of the sort, podcasts down below for you guys to check out. I'll even have some Instagram posts of quotes and short videos that you guys can watch in a matter of just a couple of minutes. It is not enough to just not be racist anymore. I hope that by putting this video out, I can encourage you guys to also take a stance and really stand up for what is right. This is a human rights issue, and it's something that we all need to be comfortable speaking out about. It could be as easy as blocking someone that has a racist username on social media or leaves a racist comment. It could be calling someone out at a party or a social setting who is trying to make a joke that has a racial tone to it, undertone, or direct racist comment. Choosing which brands to support and give your dollar to. Are they inclusive? Do they provide job opportunities for people of color? And do they provide shade ranges for all people of color if they are a makeup brand specifically? This needs to become the new normal. We can't settle for a world that has so much injustice and so much sadness and hurt. I hope that you guys were able to take away something valuable from this little discussion, and it's something that I will continue to raise awareness about. Thank you for listening. I really appreciate all of you taking the time to do so. I've been waking up so late. It's literally 1 o'clock right now. I didn't wake up, but I'm having my first coffee. I had to go out and grab coffee this morning because we're out of Nespresso. So I might head down there later because for those of you that have been asking about like when I'm gonna go thrifting again, that kind of stuff, stores have open. It's just so weird. The way that the mayor announces how things open and the rules and stuff like that. Maybe it's like this in every part of the world right now, but I just find it so confusing. We're working with it. I think that's why vlogging throughout this time will be interesting to you guys. I'm going to be as open and as candid as I possibly can. I'm going to get to some emails. This is kind of my daily routine. I'm going to have my coffee, and usually I'd be downstairs, but Daniel's actually on a call, so gonna give him the space that he needs. But what I'm going to do is go on to Thrifted This and start my morning off by liking all your guys' thrifted outfits. That's what I do every morning. I did take a long break on there because I didn't want to be reposting stuff while this movement was really needing to be at the forefront of Instagram. I forgot that I need to order groceries today. Does anyone else feel like they're spending so much more money on groceries? I guess maybe just like seeing a credit card statement or Visa's whatever statement for hundreds and hundreds of dollars all at once on food just seems like so much more. So I am going, oh, no I'm not. I was gonna say I'm gonna show you guys how I order my food, but I just left my phone to charge downstairs because I'm planning on going on a hefty long walk. I'll go do that now. We just use Instacart. I think that's like available in the US as well. It's very, very helpful. Grocery stores here are just like still super lined up. Maybe if I walk by one later, I'll vlog it for you guys. I don't even know what time it is anymore, but it's a nice enough day, like beautiful day actually. I think it's like 19 degrees outside, and yesterday was humid and I could not like move. So I'm gonna take advantage of it and go on a nice long stroll to the Nespresso store to pick up my coffee because I need to move my body. That's something I'm trying to work on adapting to in quarantine. I had such a nice routine going before all this happened, and then it was just canceled because of COVID. So I'm kind of lazy and I need to just crack on with it while the weather's good and I feel motivated to work out. But yeah, this walk should be good. I'm gonna put on a podcast. I will let you guys know what I end up listening to. I'll put it in the vlog so you guys can see. And yeah, our groceries already came, which is great. So I'm gonna eat something really quick and then embark on this lovely urban journey. I also want to show you guys, this is a set that I actually got on ThredUp. It's by the brand Outdoor Voices. Haven't shown it yet in the haul. This is all of the stuff that is gonna come in my next thrift haul. Waiting for you guys over here, but I just didn't want to upload like another thrifting video right after the last. So this is the little set that I got, and it's actually cool because Outdoor Voices doesn't ship directly to Canada. So I actually found a ton of it on ThredUp, and I love the fit of the sports bra. The leggings are okay. They're like a little bit low for my liking, but we're gonna work with them, and I'm just gonna throw on a hoodie because it's still like kind of mild out today. Getting there. That was successful. Feels so weird to be out in the world, but you know, just doing whatever is considered to be normal. I think like a lot of stores were allowed to actually open today versus like just doing curbside pickup and stuff, but I'm genuinely so confused. But I think I'm gonna grab a smoothie and head back home. Exciting day in the life. This is really, it's actually very exciting. Oh man. So I don't know why cooking chicken is always so stressful to me, but I just don't want to get salmonella. So this took this, like, how long did they predict this to be? 20-minute meal. Been in the kitchen for longer than that, that's for sure. Daniel is my cooked chicken checker. Isn't that so? It's probably gonna be burnt by the time I feel secure eating this. Watching Love Island. It's like, just leave me alone. It's like, don't judge me. We're not judging you. He's like, let me be.
To be honest, I'm not really sure who
Mango chutney.
she's gonna like.
You like that?
Everyone can like her, but I don't know who she's gonna go for.
It's pretty good. It's worth the hour-long prep.
In so many different ways.
That walk surely took it out of me. Moving your body is a serious thing, you guys. I need to do it more often. So before I wrap it up, first of all, I want to say the podcast that I listen to, Slay in Your Lane. I want to call it Stay in Your Lane, but Slay in Your Lane was very easy to listen to. I think walking and educating yourself at the same time is such a great combo. I know that sometimes when I'm listening to podcasts at home, I get really easily distracted. I'm glad I listened to that. I'll link it down below for you guys. They hit on a lot of important points and perspectives, and I want to listen to at least one podcast that's focused on either Black history, systemic racism, anything kind of related to this whole movement. So definitely that's what I'm looking for. If you guys have those recommendations, it would be much appreciated. I hope this vlog came across how I intended it to. I really just wanted it to be very candid and show you guys my true honest opinions and really just catch up with you guys before I jump into producing more videos on this channel. So again, I thank you guys for listening to me, for watching, and for providing resources down below. I will see you very soon with a new video, and I hope that we can continue this conversation in a constructive manner. Thanks guys, I will see you very soon. Good night.